The beautiful tiny container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet shipping container. The total area I have taken is the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter. In the front we have a sliding door here. After that we will go inside, so we have living plus kitchen. The size of this area is 15 feet into 7 feet 4 inches in meter 4.57 into 2.23 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and also a unit on the front wall, and we have a single bed and kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and also two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. If we go inside, so we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and the size of this washroom is 4 feet into 7 feet 4 inches in meter 1.21 into 2.23 meter. You can see here the ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.